It came. About a year and a half ago, Sonex announced that they were going to release a new Subkit that allowed you to have two sticks in the cockpit rather than just one in the center console. The kit is sold in two different ways. You have the choice of either adding it onto a new kit purchase. In that case, you spend $750 as an upgrade to your brand new Sonex aircraft kit, or you can purchase the Subkit after the fact and spend about twice that much. So about $1,500 to install two sticks in your aircraft instead of just one if you buy it after you've purchased the full kit. That upgrade was appealing to me because I like the idea of being able to control the airplane from either seat, including all controls. At the end of 2024, about a month ago, Sonex also announced that they were going to have a 10% discount on subkits. So I quickly emailed them to make sure that this was one of the kits that was included in that. And based on the paperwork I received, I think maybe it wasn't originally part of the sale, but I did get an approval from Mark, as it says on the sheet. So I assume that that means Mark Shable, maybe the owner of Sonex. I'm not really sure. Maybe there's a different Mark there that is able to approve those things. I haven't actually opened the package yet. It's sitting on the table here behind me. So we'll go ahead and dig into that, but before we do that, I want to just quickly go over the packing list that came with it, and we can see what all is included. You can see that it came with the Sonex B dual stick conversion kit, and then it's also signed off by Mark here to give me a 10% end of year discount. Shipping from Wisconsin to Maryland was $121.93, and the discount that I received was about $150 from the $1,500 cost. So it covers shipping plus a little bit more, which is just a nice little bonus. All right, and here is a list of parts. We have plans pages that are added in here, a bunch of rivets, it looks like, CCP 42s, a seat pan forward channel, Sonex B forward seat pan, a Sonex B aft seat pan, some piano hinges, looks like 10 of those, a seat pan rib, left hand, right hand seat pan rib, seat pan forward channel clip, sorry, whatever that is, we'll figure out what that is in a minute. The seat pan channel, another seat pan channel for the right side, a couple of vertical angles here, a Sonex B stick position cover plate, and then a Sonex B dual stick frame. I'm not sure what that is, we'll dig into that. It's probably the heavy part that's in here. Dual stick link rod, and then a control stick, two of those, and then also two Sonex control stick horns. So anyway, let's go ahead and dig into it. I always trust but verify, so we're going to do a quick inventory to make sure that I've received all the parts that are on this packing list, and contact them immediately so that there isn't any question whether or not I received something and lost it. I'm actually pulling it out of the box now, just to make sure that I have everything. So the first thing to come out is the SNB F08-12. I received one of those. Looks like drawings in here. Okay, these are all updated drawings for the new controls. I feel like they should have instructions on how to put the instructions back inside the tube. Got the plans here. I think that this is just packing material, but I'll set it aside for now in case it's important. This is the SNB F10-18. 2 of those. And the SMB F1023R, 2 of those as well. The F0813, these look like the covers that cover up the holes. You can cover up the center hole with one of these or the 2 outside ones if you opt to do the center stick. So I have 2 of those. 250 CCP 42s. Two small angles here, the SMB F10-19. Several machined angles here. Looks like these are all unique parts here, so better double check and make sure I've got all of them. F16-14L. Got one of those. F16-15L. One of those. F16-15R. 14R. You got the dual stick link rod. C04-26. Two CO408s. Those are the control grip. C0403, 2 of those. The dual stick frame. Imagine this connects underneath the seat pan here and moves back and forth with one stick on either side and a single control mount right here in the middle. SMB F1011 right, 2 of those, and the SMB F10-11L, 2 of those. It's like the rear seat pan here. SMB F08-14. And then a bunch of piano hinges. Alright, so this is just packing material. It's not on the inventory list, so it goes in the recycle bin. Alright, well, everything was in the package as expected. Most of these parts I'm not going to touch for a while. I just want to take advantage of the end of year sale on the parts. My next big thing is to start building out the fuselage, and this is going to be kind of a big part of the fuselage, certainly the cockpit portion of that. So I'm going to pack these away and put them someplace where I can easily find them when the time comes to actually put them into use in the aircraft. Well, thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.